Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify build an e-commerce app prototype using Shopify app extensions, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, sign in to your Shopify partner account. If you don't have one, create a new partner account. Once logged in, access the Shopify admin. Navigate to the Apps section from the left sidebar. Select Develop Apps on the top right corner. Click on Create an App to initiate a new app development process. Provide a name for your app and select the appropriate development store. Once the app is created, you will enter the app's dashboard. Set the app mode to development for testing purposes. Next, configure the permissions. Select the required scopes depending on the functionalities you want to implement. After configuring the scopes, click Save to apply the changes. Now, proceed to the App Extensions section in the dashboard. Choose the type of extension you would like to build. Common extension types include Checkout and Admin. Select Add Extension for your chosen type. Follow the prompts to set up the extension configuration. Make sure to fill out all required fields accurately. Once configured, click Save to save your extension settings. Now, start developing your app using the Shopify CLI. If you haven't installed CLI yet, follow the installation instructions from Shopify's official documentation. Once the CLI is ready, use the terminal to run Shopify App Create. Follow the prompts to set up the basic structure of your app. After the structure is ready, navigate to your project directory. Use your preferred code editor to open the project files. Start developing your custom features based on your extension type. Test your code frequently to ensure functionality. Once development is complete, run Shopify AppServe to test your app live. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.